Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great weekend at this point. So the market is a bit all over the place at the moment. It's kind of weird. I've been reading a lot online the last hour or so about different coins, rumors about different coins, where they're going, why each coin might be doing what they're doing, or why the prices are pretty much falling for nearly every single coin, but mainly the top 20 coins on CoinMarketCap, kind of what's going on, except for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the only one that is going up even right now. When you just look at it, I think it's up 2, 3, 4%, something like that. But every coin is down 5% or more. There are a few websites reporting that Bitcoin's price has actually popped up above 6,200. I don't know how long that happened. I can't find it on a couple charts, but CryptoCoins News shows the price as 6,105. And there are a couple of exchanges that are showing it at around, I think it was 6,151. And some of them are saying 6,200 as well, and other news sites. I told you guys a couple days ago, especially when the price was around like 5,000 something, the price is definitely almost certainly going to continue rising as we get closer to these hard forks, because there are a lot of people who want to benefit obviously from these things that will happen. They want to accumulate as much as they can and maximize their profits from the hard forks that are coming up, especially should they result in 2 new coins. This is going to be a huge amount of money for a lot of people that is being created and put inside of their pockets, so they're trying to get as much Bitcoin as possible. This is why Bitcoin is literally drawing all the focus from the entire market. There are so many, not even like really crazy amazing things, but there's other news like during the last week you heard me talk about other things that are going on with other coins, but they're almost like sinking in value because Bitcoin is siphoning everything else from every other coin. Should these forks actually result in new coins, like I said, the price is going to continue rising. But the moment these coins are live and people are actually able to trade with them, it is expected by a lot of people that the value of Bitcoin will more than likely drop, as all the attention will completely go away from it, because these people will be cashing in their coins to flood into the altcoin market. So this is just something to really keep in mind, because I'm sure there are a lot of people, you may even know somebody who is dumping their money into Bitcoin because they see the price is constantly rising. But we've seen this happen before, especially with the last fork. Everyone pumps it up. The split happens, the price rises for about a day or two, and then eventually everything completely tumbles. And this is when I remember right after Bitcoin Cash came out, I think the price of Bitcoin Cash was like skyrocketing as everyone was trying to get their new Bitcoin. And the prices of every other altcoin were also, everything was completely in the green like almost a day after. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Between these two upcoming forks that are happening, there's a monstrous amount of fear, panic, uncertainty, and confusion as to exactly what's going to happen for these things. There's so many articles online of the people who are doing these forks and doing these projects talking about how theirs is going to be great, and then other people talking about they're going to blacklist other people if you even talk about this, if you have it on your website, if you try to promote this in any way. So there's a lot going on. I'm afraid of a lot of people losing money when these things happen. So don't really be afraid as to why some of the other coins are dropping. There's a lot of good things coming up for these coins, and everything is Bitcoin is just a magnet right now, and that's exactly what's happening. So in the same exact breath, Segwit2X, the fork that should happen, there is already a futures market for it. I don't know the official name for it yet. I've been looking around and I've seen anything from BT2, BTC2, SGX, and there's also someone just calling it Segwit coin. That is probably the least likely name out of all of them. But as of now, there is a futures market for it, and it's floating around $900, somewhere in that range. The website Bitfinex, Bitfinex, they're showing a price of around 860, while the website CoinCodex, CoinCodex, they are showing a price of around $900. This is almost exactly where we were before the previous fork. When Bitcoin Cash came out, Bitcoin Cash's price was floating around this same exact number. I think one day there was a website that said that it hit $1,200 and then completely sank back down. But that was all completely based on hype. Like, it really was the Bitcoin name literally makes things sell. So this is the next couple days are going to be very shaky as we get closer to all these forks, but hold tight. Especially if 2 more potential Bitcoin-esque coins actually sprout up. So there's not much in the news today. There's a there's a lot of news about new corporations and new companies and all these other places integrating or making their own blockchain systems, which is pretty great. That's pretty interesting, but it's not great for us as it doesn't actually affect the coin market that much. It's cool that a website is selling something or that they are selling tombstones and they are like putting it in a blockchain registry. That is wonderful. And there was some other banker manager guy. I didn't even read his name. I refused to read it. He came forward saying that Bitcoin actually has no value, either up or down. It's completely worthless. And I decided for my own mental sanity not to even touch the topic because his words are completely irrelevant. Where are these people coming from? Why is everyone doing this month? Like, are they all on vacation? Everyone's like coming out of the woodworks talking about how Bitcoin is useless. Just go back to your private island somewhere. No one really cares about you. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. Yeah, as always, hope you guys have a great day, great evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you might be. And I will talk to you all soon. See you.